What's going on, everyone? Got a 2015 Nissan Rogue here and got the key fob. Today we're going to open it up to replace the battery. It's pretty simple. All we're going to do first is flip the key open like that. We're going to look at the bottom here, and if you look at the bottom, there's a little slot here, perfect for a flathead screwdriver. You're going to need a little one. Go ahead and put it in here. All you got to do is give it a little bit of a twist. Okay. Crack it open like that, and you can go over here on the sides, just pry it open a little bit more. Okay, and flip it over, and here's our battery. Okay, so the battery is on the back side, I guess you can say. Now what we're going to do is just pry it out right here like this, and I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery is going to be a CR2032 with a positive sign facing down. You're going to stick it in the bottom of the remote first. Okay, there's these little contacts down here you got to get this onto first, and then press it in and it'll stay. And then you just get the front of the remote. Whoa, and drop it real quick. I don't recommend you doing this in the car, but then you just get it, snap it back on. Sorry about that. This one can be kind of hard to snap on. These guys are pretty stiff. Okay, we're gonna close the key up here. I'm struggling with this video here. Whew. Maybe I'm just out of shape, but start at the top, work your way down, you snap it together. It is a little bit difficult, and then that's it. If you need the battery, I'll have a link down in the description box that gives you the size, and a link takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a battery for $1.25. So look at that if you need it, and hope this video was informative, and if it was, appreciate it if you'd hit that like button for me, and leave me a comment if you could, and I hope to see you again in another video.